goes Sam on her first ride. This is a bike that I'm building right now. There she goes. 182 Gl500. Probably keep the controls, possibly. The jets are all clear. There's no varnish at all inside. I did have to fix the choke. This little spring right here was totally just disconnected. It was unwound, and so when the choke was engaged, the pulley or the cable is pulling on. It wasn't doing anything, and so I rewound that, and now when the choke's gonna pull on it, it's gonna close off the air, which is how it should be. And I can see already, and some of this stuff is just removed immediately without me even having to wipe it. It just literally just falling off. I mean, look at that. Nice. So we've got this shock from an R1, Yamaha R1. So that's gonna be going right in here to replace this old Air one. So we'll just have to see how easy that is. I also cleaned up these ports, which I think turned out pretty good. And then I've been working on the car, but still I'm waiting on a couple of parts, basically the kit to rebuild it, but I cleaned it all out. And I just need to rebuild the, just replace all the jets and gaskets and O-rings and stuff in there. Still working on this down here. The rear shock needs to be swapped out. It's one of my next projects. I need to just grind out this bracket here and then get some spacers and install that. So that should be good. I cleaned up, I flushed the radiator, kind of cleaned up in the front here, this oil filter cover and the clutch cover here at the top. Okay, I'm just finishing up this linkage rebuild. Figured I'd show it better late than never. I've already got most of these sleeves in here. I've already, so I had to take them out. Some of them were kind of rusted. I had to clean them up. I kind of took some light sanding to them. And then I,